Here's another quick DIY fix as well. The button bolt, the original button bolt had snapped away, and my mate asked me if I got any ideas how to put this together, and I just ducked past the hardware store quickly, picked up a stainless steel nut and bolt that they use for the awnings on top of roofs. They bolt them down. It's perfect for this type of thing. So it's just a nice short thread, perfect size for this. You can see how that goes through there. Try and get a bit of focus on that. There we go. You see how it goes through. So you got the plastic between it comes with a washer, the plastic washer, so that's perfect. You have to make yourself a bit of rubber to go around the thread, so the glass is safe from the thread. And then that's it. And I'll just give you a look at what it looks like on the other side, the original one. So there you go, that's the original one there. See how it's shaped like that. So the reason why I've gone for the other style over there is because you want the flatness. You don't want to put you can get ones that have a Phillips head pattern in them, but you don't want someone to be able to undo your window from the outside, so it has to be flat. And you can see it, this one here, hopefully you can see that. My camera is really dark, so it's hard for me to see on the camera, but that's put in with a screw. But either way, it doesn't matter. That locks, and this side here, that size of the bolt doesn't affect it, locks perfectly. And another quick solution, done.